Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry challenge, and here we have a square whose area is 100 centimeters square, is inscribed in a sector A, B and C. And now our claim is to find the area of this yellow shaded region. So our yellow shaded region are the this region, so we can just find the area of this yellow shaded region. So here first thing you remember is that this figure is not correct, not 100% correct to the scale. So in order to find the area of yellow region, so here I can just write the formula is area of yellow region. Our area of yellow region, this yellow region, equals to area of sector ABC minus area of square DPEF. Area of square DPEF. So this is the area of square DPEF. So now in order to find this yellow region area, we first find area of sector, and we have given the area of square, and then we minus this one and we easily find the area of the yellow region. So now in order to find the area of sector, you know about the formula of area of sector is, you know that area of sector equals to theta over 360 degree is multiplied by pi r square. So this is the formula of area of sector. So in order to find the area of sector, here we need to find the value of r, or r be the radius of this sector. So now first we find the radius of the sector, and after before move towards to find the area of sector, here we need to make some simplifications. So here you see that our area of square equals to 100 centimeter square, and you know that the formula of area of square ABCD, oh sorry, area of square DPEF equals to length multiplied by width, and you know that the length and width of the square is same. So if I can name the one side length is x, so its area is x squared. So that here we can just put the value of area of square DPEF. So it is 100 centimeter square, and it is x centimeter square. So here you can just take the square root on both of the sides, and you will easily get the length of the side of this square. So our length of one side of the square is equals to 10. So that here I can just write our this length is 10, because all the side length of this square are same, so that the length of all sides will be equals to 10. And now after that you will see here we have this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 90 degree, and when you subtract 90 minus 45, you will easily get this angle is 45 degree. So here you see that the angle of the two angles of this triangle AEP are 45 degree. So it means that this triangle be the isosceles triangle. So if it is isosceles triangle, it means that the length of its two sides are same. So if the length of its one side is 10, I can name the other length side is 10. So these two length sides are 10 and these two angles are 45, so that we can say that AEP are the isosceles triangle. So now in order to move towards to find the radius, we can just join this point A to the point D. So here I can just write, we can just join A point with D. So when you join A point with D, then you will get here a nice right triangle which is AFD, because you see that this is the corner of the square, so it makes the angle 90, because all the all the corner angles of the square are 90 degree. So if you can focus on the triangle AFD, it is the right triangle. So now we will just see here in right triangle AFD. So in AFD, right triangle, uh, we have the length of this side of the right triangle is 20, because this is 10 and this is 10. So our side length of AF will be equals to 20 and this side length is 10. So now we can find the this side length. So this side length be the radius of the sector. So you can see here this is the angle 90, and the opposite side of this angle is known as hypotenuse. So here we just find this hypotenuse. So in order to find the hypotenuse, we can use here the nice Pythagoras theorem, and you know that hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So here our base is 20 square, so this is the base, and because AF be the base and our base is 20 square, and our perpendicular which is FD, so our FD is 10, so here you have 10 square, and now we can find our hypotenuse square. So now we can make little bit simplifications here, and you will easily get the value of is 400 and 100, so it is equals to 500, and this is the our hypotenuse square. So now we can make the square root on both of the sides, so you will easily get the value of hypotenuse is 10 times of square root of 5. So this is the our hypotenuse. So if the value of our hypotenuse is 10 times of square root 5, so our hypotenuse AD be the radius of the circle, so that the value of our radius, so here you have three radius of this sector. So our one radius is AC, second radius is AD, and third radius is AB. So our value of the radius is 10 times of square root of 5. So our this hypotenuse is equals to the radius of the radius of this sector. So now in order to find the area of sector, we will use here the nice formula of area of sector, which I can already write. So here you have area of sector equals to theta over 360 degree is multiplied by pi r square. So now our theta is defined here. This is theta is which is the angle in the sector, it is 45 degree. So now we can put this value here, so it is 45 degree over 360 degree into pi into r square. So our r, the value of r is 10 times of square root 5 and its whole square. So here we need to make a little bit simplifications, so that we can divide this 45 by 45 8 is 360. So here you get 1 over 8 times of pi into here you obtain 500. So when we divide this 500 by 8, so that you will get the area of sector equals to 62.5 62.5 pi in centimeter square. So this is the area of sector, and here we move towards our final answer of this problem. So this is the we can find the area of yellow region. So it is equals to area of sector ABC minus area of square DPEF. So here you see that area of sector is equals to 62.5 pi square minus area of square is already known as it is 100 centimeter square. So this is the area of yellow region, and if I can put the value of this pi, then you will easily get our answer in this form, 96.35 centimeter square. So this is the area of the yellow region, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.